Imagine standing at a crossroads. To your left, a well-trodden path, familiar and time-tested. To your right, a newer trail, vibrant with promise and innovation. This isn't just a metaphor, it's the current state of the cryptocurrency market. The left path represents Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, a symbol of digital gold. The right path leads to Solana, a rising star in the blockchain universe, known for its speed and efficiency. In April 2025, investors find themselves at this very juncture. Bitcoin has recently climbed to $84,900, buoyed by new US tariff exemptions that have injected fresh optimism into the market. Meanwhile, Solana has surged 30% in the past week, outperforming Ethereum and reaching new multi-month highs. But with both assets showing strength, the question arises, which path should you take? Should you invest in the established security of Bitcoin or the innovative potential of Solana? Bitcoin is the pioneer of the cryptocurrency world. Launched in 2009, it introduced the concept of decentralized digital currency. Over the years, Bitcoin has become a store of value, often referred to as digital gold. Its limited supply of 21 million coins and widespread adoption have cemented its status as a reliable asset. In recent developments, Bitcoin's price has been influenced by macroeconomic factors. The US government's decision to exempt certain tech products from tariffs has led to a positive response in the crypto market, with Bitcoin attempting to break a 3-month downtrend. Additionally, companies like MicroStrategy continue to invest heavily in Bitcoin, with recent purchases totaling 3,459 BTC for approximately $285.8 million. Solana, on the other hand, is a newer entrant, launched in 2020. It's known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, making it a favorite for decentralized applications, DApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi, projects. Solana's unique combination of proof of history and proof of stake consensus mechanisms allows it to process up to 65,000 transactions per second, significantly outpacing Bitcoin's capabilities. Recently, Solana has shown remarkable performance, with its price rallying 30% over the last week and the SOL/ETH trading pair reaching new multi-month highs. This surge is attributed to increased developer activity and a growing number of DApps launching on its platform. With both cryptocurrencies displaying strong fundamentals and market performance, the decision isn't straightforward. It requires a deeper analysis of various factors, including market trends, technological advancements, and individual investment goals. Picture this: you're sitting on the edge of your seat, watching the crypto charts flicker on your screen like the heartbeat of the financial future. You see Bitcoin surging one moment, and then Solana spiking the next. The question hits you like a lightning bolt: which one should I bet on? Which one is the future? Should I ride the wave of the established king, or stake my claim in the rising prodigy? Let's unpack this, because the answer isn't just about numbers. It's about vision. It's about fundamentals. It's about the evolution of digital finance and your place in it. Bitcoin isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's the genesis, the symbol of financial rebellion against centralized tyranny. When Satoshi Nakamoto dropped that white paper in 2008, the world was collapsing under the weight of greedy institutions and broken systems. Bitcoin emerged as a phoenix, decentralized, incorruptible, finite. A beacon of financial sovereignty. Today, Bitcoin is not just digital gold. It is gold, at least to this generation. With over $1 trillion in market cap and the attention of every hedge fund manager and sovereign fund on Earth, it has cemented itself as the go-to store of value in the digital age. From BlackRock to Fidelity, institutions are tripping over themselves to build Bitcoin ETFs, and governments are starting to regulate instead of fight it. In the wake of economic uncertainty, global inflation, and wars disrupting fiat stability, Bitcoin is no longer a fringe idea. It's a foundational pillar of the new financial system. The latest ETF approvals have opened floodgates. Trillions of institutional capital are now flowing in. Nation-states are warming up. And Bitcoin halving is around the corner, an event that has historically led to explosive growth in price due to the reduction of supply. But here's the catch: Bitcoin is conservative. It's not nimble. It's not fast. It's not built for microtransactions or DApp ecosystems. Its main innovation today lies in its security and store of value. It's a digital Fort Knox, but a very slow one. For someone who's looking for exponential growth or wants to build on-chain applications, Bitcoin might feel like a digital antique, powerful, timeless, but not exactly agile. Now step into Solana's world. If Bitcoin is the slow, Powerful freight train, Solana is the supersonic jet blazing through the digital economy. Solana was built for speed. With its high-throughput blockchain capable of handling over 65,000 transactions per second, it's not just competing, it's dominating the race of scalability. It's become the go-to chain for developers who want to build real-world applications that require low fees and instant confirmation. And that's not just hype. In 2024 alone, Solana has seen explosive adoption from retail and institutions alike. Decentralized exchanges built on Solana are booming. NFT platforms are thriving. The recent integrations with Visa and Shopify have shown the world that Solana isn't just a crypto project, it's infrastructure for the future internet. Even with the FTX scandal in its rearview mirror, Solana came back swinging. It survived, rebuilt, and even outperformed Ethereum in some key metrics like daily active users and transaction volume. And let's talk price performance. While Bitcoin grows steadily, Solana rockets. From $10 to over $100 in just months, it's captured the attention of new age investors who aren't just looking to hedge against inflation, they're looking to build wealth. But is it all roses? No. Solana still has growing pains. It's experienced network outages. Critics call it too centralized. It's newer, less proven, and more vulnerable to technical risk than the Bitcoin fortress. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for safety in an uncertain world, Bitcoin is your rock. It's the hedge against government overreach. It's the weapon against fiat devaluation. Think long term. Think retirement. Think generational wealth. 50% allocation to Bitcoin ensures that you're participating in the rise of digital gold without exposing yourself to too much volatility. Want to sleep at night and still stay in the game? Stack sats. Period. But if you're young, hungry, and looking to build wealth, then you can't ignore Solana. It's not just a gamble, it's a calculated risk. Solana is building the future internet. If it succeeds, we're talking about life-changing ROI. Think Amazon in 2001. Think Tesla in 2013. If Bitcoin is the digital gold, Solana is the digital real estate. A 30 to 40% position in Solana gives you exposure to the future. But don't go blind. Stay updated. Watch the developer ecosystem. Follow the partnerships. Track the on-chain metrics. But here's the real flex: why choose when you can have both? Smart investors don't pick sides, they build balance. A 60-40 or 70-30 Bitcoin/Solana portfolio gives you both the stability and the rocket fuel. You get the insurance policy and the moonshot. You hedge your bets, but you also stay in the fast lane. Think of it like this: Bitcoin is the shield. Solana is the sword. With Bitcoin, you defend against the collapse. With Solana, you attack the future. Let's not forget the big picture here. Crypto is not a temporary trend, it's a technological revolution. Japan is embracing crypto-friendly regulations and launching yen-backed stablecoins. SWIFT is testing blockchain integration to replace its ancient wire system. Europe is building the CA to integrate digital assets into its economy. Africa is using crypto to leapfrog broken banking systems. And the US, despite political turbulence, is inching closer to full crypto integration with candidates openly supporting digital innovation. In this climate, Bitcoin and Solana don't compete, they complement. Bitcoin establishes trust and long-term stability. Solana brings the velocity of innovation. In 2025, the winning strategy won't be picking a single coin, it will be understanding the function of each asset in your portfolio. If you want to build a future-proof crypto strategy, you need to think like an architect. You need foundation. You need infrastructure. You need vision. Bitcoin is the foundation. Solana is the scaffolding of the future skyscraper. So, if you're sitting there with $1,000, $10,000 or even $100,000 and wondering where to put it, don't think like a gambler. Think like a builder. Think like a visionary. Allocate your capital based on utility, purpose, and trajectory. Bitcoin isn't going away. Solana is just getting started. If you want to win in 2025, don't choose one hero, build a team. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps others find this content. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Sharing this video with your friends, family, or anyone you think would benefit from it would mean the world to me. It's how we grow this community and spread valuable information together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.